Hi friends, hope everybody well. So in this video we are going to discuss about JavaScript splice method. So what is splice method? If we see the developer Mozilla, the splice method they said the splice method of an array the splice method of array instance change the content of an array by removing or replacing existing element or adding new elements. So what does this means, the splice method? So let's see our array. So I already defined an array and which name is names. So there is 4 element in the array and that is the things. So if you want to add our new element in our array, like in the between Peter and Jennifer, so what we have to do, that's what we have to do the splice method add there is using to add new element in the array. So let's see how to do that. So first of all we have to do the add just add a new name. Okay, I am now defining a new variable which is the array splice, and first I'll define the our array names, and I already defined, sorry, not names, and just add the splice method. It's taken 2 parameter. First of all, first parameter is the where is the element will be add, like we want to add after filter, so that will be the first argument or element, or a parameter. So first, that's why we have to count here 0 1 2, so we will be add after 2, so 2 element, and that is our first parameter. And second parameter is the how many element will be removed. So like I want to remove the Jennifer. Right now I don't want to remove the Jennifer, I just state the Jennifer. So that's all. If you don't want to remove any element in the array, so that's why first of all you have to just use n0, that way no element will be removed from the array. So that is the thing. And last is the, sorry, I didn't said you before, and last is new element we have to be add here, that is we can call third argument, and that's for whatever you add here. So I just add a new name, that name is Robert, and that is the thing. And if we see in our console log, that is the Tom Fitter, after Fitter we add the Robert, that is our new name, and Jennifer string and John string, because we didn't remove any elements. So that is the thing our. So before, if we want to see our before splices method array condition, that's why we just to see our, we have to console our array. So before there is adding 4, there was a 4 element, and that is after adding splice method in the array, that will be showing 5 length of the array. So another things, the splice method return the remove element. So if we want to just now remove the Jennifer, so that's for how many element we have to remove, just 1, because we want to remove the Jennifer, that's why we have to use 1. Or if you want to like Jennifer John, you can remove, that's why you have to use 2. I hope you understand that. That is the thing, you have to, how many element you have to remove, that will be count as the second parameter. So I just noted to 1, and that is the thing. If we see, there is the after splice method added, the Tom Fitter Robert is okay, just remove this Jennifer, because Robert is after Fitter position. So because 0 1 2 Jennifer is 2 position, that's why Jennifer is removed, and John is staying because John is not Jennifer position. Or we can remove, if we here add 2 John, and John is removed, because the removable element start after which element you added. That means where do you start? I start after filter, so that's for after. If you have a lot of element in the array, it will be removed after the you started position. I hope you understand. So that is the thing. So I don't want to remove the John, I just string John. That's for I just want to add one and Jennifer is removed. So if you want to see our return element, so that's for just you have to call the name of the element new. You can use it as a new variable, or you can just paste all of the element in the console logs. So I just add splice method, array splice, and it return the Jennifer because we remove the Jennifer. That is the thing of the splice method. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching the video. Next time I'll be bring up a new video with JavaScript methods.